Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and do not close the lid. Now, on the front side we have connectional button here. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed white 2 times. Firstly it entered to prank mode. Here we go, so don't worry, it's okay, now we keep holding it. And here we go. You can release your finger and let's go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices to remove these earbuds from the phone. Right here, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Tap on it, and if you have Android, click pair after you tap on it. You will see a window here. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!